This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Perry. Want to live close to everything? This rarely available 3-bedroom 2.5-bath Parkwoods Townhome is your opportunity. Spacious floor plan with over 1,700 square feet of living. Remodeled from the original, adding extended cabinets and countertops with island kitchen. Oversized laundry room provides extra storage. And #XD and #SAW, private courtyard with 2 balconies to enjoy the day and evenings. Just a hop away from the pool. Make this your new home today. For more information, review the details below.